Here's a tiny apartment secret. Style grows when stuff shrinks. Start with a 60/30/10 rule. Keep 60% light neutrals, 30% mid-tones, and a 10% pop to spark energy. Pair slimline furniture on raised legs with oversized art for drama without crowding. Add mirrors opposite windows to bounce light. And use vertical stripes or bookshelf ladders to stretch walls upward. Today on Decor Like Dream, we're designing small spaces that feel chic, calm, and brilliantly functional. Seasonal refreshes keep tiny homes lively without constant shopping. In spring and summer, swap heavier textures for breathable linen, jute, and seagrass. In autumn and winter, layer boucle, wool throws, and ribbed candles for warmth. Keep a capsule decor kit, 2 cushion covers, a reversible runner, and a mood-boosting wreath. Rotate these with a storage-friendly vacuum bag. Budget tip: repaint one wall with wipeable eggshell, then echo that shade in 2 accents for effortless harmony. Color drives perception in tight floor plans. Choose a quiet base, soft grayish, warm white, or pale mushroom, then add contrast with charcoal, forest, midnight, or terracotta in small doses. Monochrome builds calm. Complementary pairs like sage and blush, navy and sand, or rust and slate add character. Keep trims and doors one shade brighter to frame rooms crisply. Reflective finishes on side tables or lamps amplify daylight, while matte walls reduce glare and feel sophisticated. Furnish with purpose and proportion. Pick pieces that multitask. A lift-top coffee table hides remotes and becomes a laptop perch. Nesting tables flex for guests. A sleeper love seat hosts overnight friends. Choose leggy silhouettes to expose more floor. And measure circulation paths so doors swing freely. Go modular when possible. An ottoman can dock with a sofa to stretch for movie night. Prioritize rounded corners to soften movement and prevent bruised shins in narrow corridors. If your apartment is tiny, treat it like a jewel box. Limited space, unlimited potential. Anchor rooms with calm color. Let furniture multitask. And rotate seasonal textures for freshness without clutter. Test one idea at a time, then build on what feels good. I'd love to hear which tip you'll try first. Drop it in the comments. For more smart, stylish ideas from Decor Like Dream, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you never miss inspiration.